What's going on, family? It's your boy ASAP the Thriller here, back at it again with another video. Now, today I wanted to top it up with y'all a little bit about a company called Watermine. Now, this company was first brought to me by a friend of mine in a Facebook message where he pretty much asked me what did I know about Watermine, right? At the time, I had absolutely nothing. I had absolutely no information about it. And I'm the type of person, I don't invest in anything just because I hear about how good the returns are. I don't invest in anything just because somebody else recommended it. Any and every time I invest in any type of company or cryptocurrency, it's only after I do a thorough deep dive research into the company on my own and I can understand exactly what it is that I'm investing in. That way, when the price goes down or when it appears that I'm losing money, I can avoid panic selling, right? And losing money and ultimately losing money, locking in that loss because I understand the company and I really believe in where the company is going. So just because somebody told me about this company, I didn't just go and invest in it. I wanted to research it. Now, I'm about to go into a deep dive on everything that I found out with the company. This video is not to try to promote Watermine, nor is it to try to scare you away from Watermine. I'm just gonna give you the real on what I thought about what I was able to find, what I think about the company and where I am right now. All right, now I'm about to get straight into it. So the first thing I did was I went to YouTube, as you can see, youtube.com. And in the search bar, I typed in Watermine, right? I wanted to try to find out a little bit of information about this company just from other people's experience, right? First thing I noticed is that almost all of the people talking about Watermine are black people, right? Almost everybody talking about Watermine is black people, right? And that's a red flag to me. For the simple fact that we're almost always the last people to know about great investment opportunities, great legit investment opportunities, right? Okay, let's get into this company. Let's look at the website, right? Black people, we got to really start looking into the companies that we invest into, because I'm about to get into. I did a little bit of research before I even got on here, so that's why my expressions already seem so negative, and I'm not really trying to be negative, but okay, so let's look at these contracts, right? Look at these payouts, y'all. This is crazy. So, these contracts are in 3-month spans, right? You got to be, like, each contract lasts for 3 months, meaning whatever amount you put in, you keep it in there for 3 months, and then you get paid 2% every single day. Red flag, y'all. That's a red flag. 2% every single day. All upside, no downside, right? All upside, 2% every single day. So, 2% all the way up to 2.6%. As low as 2% if you only put in $10. And as high as 2.6% daily if you put up to $2,500, right? Now listen, I know you can make money. I'm not arguing the fact that you put your money in, you can show me screenshots on yeah, I already got paid. You know what I'm saying? I already got my money. Yeah, okay. If that's you and you believe in this company, power to you. I hope you get all the money in the world. I hope that you come up. I hope you get the bag, right? I'm not knocking you at all for wanting to get to the bag. I'm getting the bag. You know what I'm saying? But we got to really start learning how to understand these red flags. We got to really start learning how to vet these companies, right? And I'm about to try to go deep into this company, but I want to try to make it short, right? So that's red flag number 1 right there. I mean, okay, I already said red flag number 1, the fact that all I hear is black people talking about it. And it's such a great opportunity for investment. The people with the least amount of capital are the people who are pretty much the main people who know about this great investment opportunity, right? To me, sounds like we was targeted, right? You know, I feel like maybe black people were targeted because we got the least amount of wealth to fight against something like this. legally. But hey, I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna leave it at that. So okay, look at these contracts, right? Great payouts. You leave your money in there for one day, $2,500. You make $65 one day. 1 week, $455. If you leave it in there for 3 months, that's 58. That's almost $6,000, right? Now here's the other thing. Now this is real smart. Whoever came up with this company was really, really smart, right? Listen, this is really how they get people, right? Earn up to 20% from your referrals, right? 20% getting commission. 8% instant commission for referring somebody if you at level 1. 6% instant commission for level 2. 2% instant commission whatsoever. So you can make all of this money, right, from referring people. And me, I have this hunch that's their bread and butter right there. That's their bread and butter right there. Just a hunch. Bringing new people in, bringing new money in, right? The people who's been seeing those payouts, seeing the payouts and dumping even more money into it. People who really hadn't taken out the time to do research and learn and understand about this company. Learning how to do a deep dive into these companies. Listen, I'll be the first to tell you, this website is amazing. This website is beautiful, right? But this is the part that a lot of people don't do. A lot of people don't look into don't really do deep dives and really research these companies, right? So, where do I start? Okay. I'll start with the FAQs, right? So, what is Watermine, right? Now, this is a little bit about the company. This is going to tell you a little bit about the company, right? The activity of our company is aimed at Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency trading and providing investment services worldwide. Any kind of investment activities and fiduciary management services are carried out on legal grounds. Super duper broad, super duper vague, right? Okay, that's what you do. Is your activity legal? The legality of our company's activities can be judged by the presence of all registration documents and licenses allowing us to attract private investment. Private investment are you and me. Regular people, right? It depends on how you want to define that term. Super duper vague, right? Super broad and super vague. Okay. All right. So, can I create multiple accounts? I'm sure you can. Okay. Withdraw, affiliates, investment. Okay. Okay. Now, let's look at about us, right? Ooh, this is where it's going to get good. This is where it's going to get good. Okay, so Watermine Ltd, UK registration company. That's another red flag. This company is out. This company is like fresh from the, this company is a UK company, right? I don't know how many people I know who got their Instagrams hacked, right? From a company out there in the UK. Their Twitter page is hacked, Facebook page is hacked. It's a whole lot of hackers. It's a whole lot of scams that be coming out of the UK. So that's just another little red flag. I'm not judging, but that's just another red flag for me, right? So let's see. Let's check out this address, right? Let's look at this company. Where is this company located? Okay, let's see. Let's see. Google. Let's look up this company. See what the building looks like, right? Because it's a mining company. So it got to be pretty big, right? I would assume that it's pretty big, right? It's a mining company. You know how much power and electricity that you need, especially in order to be paying out those type of payouts, right? Meaning that you mine it quite a bit. Huh. This is a shopping center? So all that money. Let's see what the name of this company is. That's Helen Berman. Okay. Helene Berman. Okay. Office to let. Okay. So these are all different little small companies, right? Okay. So like a little shopping center, like a little plaza type of thing. Okay. That's where all this money is being generated. Okay. All right. That's all I'm going to say on that. That's all I'm going to say on that. All right, y'all. So this is where all this money is being made. Right here. Okay? All right. About to get out of that. Looked up the location. Company profile. That's interesting. Let's see. So it's a team, right? It's a team of people. Let's see. Oh, incorporated July 9th, 2020. This company ain't even a year old, right? They're generating a whole lot of profits for people, right? It's only a year old. Doing pretty good. Can't knock it. And like I said, I can't get mad at people trying to make money. I understand it, you know. But they hadn't really been in business that long. Nature of the business, financial management. It's a private limited company, meaning like that's like almost like an LLC here in the US, I would assume, right? Meaning limited liability, meaning that it'll be really hard to sue the individual if anything was to go wrong or if they were to lose your money, right? Okay. So, filing history. Let's see what they filed. Okay, I'll just click on this. Oh, I see a PDF right here, 29 pages. Stick with me. You know, I'm doing a little bit of research for y'all. I'm not going to dig way too deep, but I'm going to dig a little deep. Okay, England of Wales. Okay. Officers, company director. Okay, Mr. Marcel Werner. Okay. He's the director. Okay, total number of shares, 100,000. Okay. Unpaid, 100,000. So to me, this sounds like okay. I'm gonna shares of each. Persons of significant control. Okay, individual person with significant control. That's oh wow, it's Mr. Marcel Werner. So this is a company of one. Okay, there's one person in this company. Wow. There's only one person in this company. All right, so just out of curiosity, I am gonna go to a website that's supposed to determine whether or not a company is a scam or not. So I'm gonna take the URL at the top of here, and I'm gonna paste it into this search bar on Scam Advisor, and see what they say. Okay, so all right. So according to Scam Advisor, Watermine.io has a trust score of 1%, meaning that it's very high risk, meaning that it may be a scam, right? But on the other hand, if you look at their reviews here, they have 1,083 reviews, like about 4.5 stars, right? So that's real misleading, and I feel like that's one of the reasons why they would actually brought their trust score down, is because they've only been in business. They hadn't even been in business for a year, and they've already got 1,083 reviews, right? When I had a website, right, before I shut it down, you could easily buy reviews. I've never done that, but you can just buy reviews. So just because you got reviews don't really necessarily mean that the company is legit. You can make reviews up yourself, right? Different email addresses and all that type of stuff. You can go in and make reviews. Have your friends and family making reviews for you, you know. Like it's ways to get reviews, right? So I put a little bit more weight on this 1% trust score, with it being very high risk. See if they got any other information on it. Okay, so it looks like they have some positive highlights. We found a valid SSL certificate for the company. Okay, and people are giving this website positive reviews. Like I just went into depth on how you can do that, right? Negative highlights. The identity of the owner of the website is hidden on who is. Okay, not sure what that means. The age of the site is very young. The website seems popular, but is also young. The website has a lot of reviews while being very young. I just pointed that out. The website is not optimized for search engines. Payment methods support anonymous transactions were found. Okay. Now, one of the other things that is a red flag to me is, like, if you look at just some of the grammar, right? To me, it sounds like it's one person that's pretty much doing everything. That's supposedly mining and, mining Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and trading Forex and doing all of these things to the point where they're so successful that they can pay everybody every day a return on their funds. Okay, so let's read this passage right here. Okay, you can find this on the investments tab, or let's see, the news tab, right? So this is the one that's dated April 28th, right? Congratulations to all of our first 100,000 users. Watermine is a massive project, and the demands from our investor are increasing as well. We can reassure you that our dedicated team of one is here for your continued support. We have recently upgraded our server, in which it can now sustain high volumes of traffic. Of course, you're making a lot of money. Yes, you can buy a new server. A few weeks ago, we reached yet another achievement of 45,000 investors. Okay. We are pleased to announce that 350 plus investors have made $1 to $10 million. Congratulations. Okay. Continue to promote Watermine to everyone so that we can grow stronger together. Watermine is a premium project that is changing lives globally. Okay. All right. Now, let me reiterate. I understand that you can make money. You can definitely make money in these type of, let me choose my words carefully, things that appear to be like Ponzi schemes, right? To me, it appears to be a Ponzi scheme. In my opinion, it appears to me that the majority of the money that they make is not from the activities that they do, like trading and selling currencies, mining cryptocurrencies, and making money off of the exchange rate and all of the stuff that they say that they do. To me, it appears that they make most of their money by you inviting more people into their business to invest more money, right? That's why right now it's so critical that they do pay out those funds that they say that they're going to pay, because they rely on you to spread the word because of the results that you were able to show. But you just have to understand, to me, it appears that somebody is gonna lose, and somebody's gonna lose bad, because something like that is unsustainable. It's unsustainable. Money coming in and you paying out 2% every single day, up to 2.6% every single day on the amount of money that you invest. So literally, if you invest $2,500, you can make upwards of $5,800 on a $2,500 investment in 3 months, right? that listen, let's put our thinking caps on. Let's really put our thinking caps on. And it really bothers me that our people are always the ones who fall for things like that, who give these type of people the funding to do these types of things, right? Why do you think they targeted us first, right? Why do you think they targeted us first? Because we are the easiest targets. A lot of times we lack the most financial literacy, right? And it's unfortunate. But again, like I said, if you are involved in Watermine, I personally would advise you to make as much money as you can if you already in there and get the hell out. Or get the hell out right now, because that company will not last very long. And there'll be nothing you can do about it. It's a company out of the UK. Most of the people who are invested in it are black people who live here in the United States of America. Most of us ain't never even been to the UK and don't ever even plan on going. So how the hell are you going to fight a legal battle all the way over there in the UK? So if you lost your money, it's absolutely nothing you can do about it. There's one person running that company. One person who's doing the mining, it appears. One person who's doing the trading. One person who is handling the responsibilities of answering questions, right? But I'm sure that they have a team. But on paper, there's only one person in that entire company handling all of those responsibilities, right? You dumping in all of this money into this company, and they paying out daily. Stock markets don't even do that, right? Come on now, let's be real. Dang. Man, I really feel for the people who gonna lose a lot of money in this. I got a feeling that it's gonna happen. But not to say that this company can't survive for a little bit longer, because it can. It can survive for a little bit. As long as people continue to dump money into it, it can survive. It can maintain. But just beware. And if you watch this video, you have been warned. That's all I got to say. Holla at your boy.